This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your PowerPoint mobile app and loading the presentation you want to edit. Once done, switch to the thumbnail strip or slide sorter view so you can see all slides at once. This makes spotting duplicates faster. Look at slide numbers, slide titles, or visuals to identify the extra slide. Make sure you know whether it's a duplicate, a template placeholder, or an accidental blank, because that determines whether you delete or merge content. Once you've identified the extra slide, long press its thumbnail to select it. This engages multi-select mode, so you can remove multiple extras if necessary. Then tap the delete or trash icon. On Android and iOS, the icon is usually visible in the toolbar, and confirm deletion if the app asks. If the slide contains useful content, copy or drag elements into the correct slide before deleting. Doing that preserves formatting and avoids rework later. Finish by reviewing adjacent slides to ensure layouts, transitions, and links stayed intact. You're preventing unexpected formatting shifts. Save your presentation immediately, and remember you can use undo to restore a deleted slide if something went wrong. If animations or transitions break after removal, reapply them on the affected slides or export to PDF as a last resort for a stable, shareable version. If the app crashes, reopen the file from the most recent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.